Okay, today we're replacing this power window switch on this passenger side rear door. The next project on this may be a rear bumper it's got a hitch built in and also a rear tire or a spare tire mount on the back. I want to get a front bumper here too with the winch plate. Okay, yesterday we replaced the power window motor and regulator on that driver's side door over there. It went so well, I think we're going to replace the power window switch on this back door. We've had this switch about 2 years and I just hate getting it going into door panels so bad, but that's a brand new switch. I think these two tools be all we need, Phillips head screwdriver and this little new tool I got here. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you don't have one of these. So let's take it apart and put that switch in. So we will remove the two screws here first and this screw, and we should then be able to take this and go around and prise all the little clips loose, lift the door panel up and get to that switch and replace it. Okay, we've gotten all that loose. We're going to tilt it up and pull this out, up and out, and lean it out and pull it up, and let that door panel come off and give us access to the switch. I hope we don't have to disconnect those two rods in there, but we may. But they'll be just like the ones yesterday. And again, this is a 97 Jeep Cherokee XJ Country. I wouldn't mind finding a driver's side front seat if anybody has one or knows where one's at in this saddle color. And that's my EconoFlow solar generator. Love that thing. And I have a video on it. Okay, we did have to take the door panel off, and then to get the switch out, you can see those little clips there that held it in. We just took our knife and a flathead screwdriver, prized the sides out on each side there, released those little clips, and it came right out. So now we're going to plug the other one back in, put this on, reconnect our wires, and we will put it back together. Okay, we just got that plugged back up. We took our door panel, we connect our two rods back up, just put them in the little hole and then close the little clamp over on both of them, bottom and top, and then put it in, started in from the top, got it in its groove, pushed this down good all the way across, snapped in, then we snapped this one and this one and this one and this one in, put our 3 screws in, and let's see if it works. Okay, that trim piece didn't get back in there real good. There was a little clamp off the back that was missing. I didn't have another one, so I just put it back together the best I could. And it binds a little bit. Didn't want to turn off. These may be, yeah, see, it didn't want to turn loose free. Let's check and see if the driver's side door operates it okay. Yeah, that works good. So, we have all 4 windows working again. I like that. That'll wrap this one up.